Urban air pollution is a serious problem in many large cities. Pollutant levels often exceed the safety limit for human health. In response to this serious problem, we launched the revolutionary Neolith Skyline facade cladding treatment, which is able to continuously self-clean building facades while also reducing pollutants and odors in the atmosphere, thus improving air quality. Pureti is a surface treatment with an aqueous base of titanium dioxide nanoparticles sprayed onto Neolith plates during manufacture to create a decontaminating effect. When UVA beams hit Pureti's sprayed plates, a chemical process is provoked, which converts oxygen and water vapor in the atmosphere into hydroxyl, OH, and superoxide, O2, cleaning agents. OH converts organic soil and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into minerals and gas and returns to H2O. And the O2 reduces nitrogen oxide, NOx, one of the most harmful gases in the atmosphere, into relatively harmless nitrates. This process repeats itself millions of times to clean the surface and the air with which it comes into contact, reducing nitrogen oxide levels up to 70 to 80% in lab studies. The treatment is completed with a hydrophilic process. When it rains, the water expands over the treated surface, and the titanium dioxide film facilitates the spread and removal of the remaining dirt particles. According to studies, Pureti is now the most efficient and powerful product on the market. Its decontamination and self-cleaning effects last up to 10 years, and maintenance is reduced to an occasional rinsing of the facade. In a polluted urban environment, every 4 square meters of Pureti-treated surface has the capacity to eliminate the NOx produced by a car driving for a year, making Neolith tiles treated with Pureti as effective in reducing pollution as planting trees. Pureti is already being used on residential and commercial buildings, on infrastructure and outdoor advertising. Toyota is currently using Pureti on its outdoor billboards and has estimated that their campaign reduced the pollution caused by 5,285 cars. Pureti has already been awarded prestigious prizes for its environmental properties. Pureti's environmental benefits include other advantages. Pureti is a state-of-the-art technology whose claims have been tested and validated at universities and laboratories all over the world. It minimizes buildings' total maintenance costs by reducing staffing hours and increasing productivity. Pureti is a NASA dual-use technology partner, and Neolith plus Pureti tiles can be used to help earn LEED and WELL building credits. Pureti also participates in the European Union project iScape, named by Horizon 2020 as one of the technological disruptions that will shape the EU in the next 60 years. Neolith and Pureti, self-cleaning and decontaminating facades. Clean and sustainable.